In this tutorial video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find the original number or the original amount following a percentage discount. So let's take a look at this kind of a question here. After a 65% discount, a lawn chair was $95, and what we have to do is to give the original price. Okay, so essentially what you need to think about is something like this. The original price. Now you need to think of that something like 100%, right? That's what it was. Then we had a discount, and the discount was 65%. And that leaves us with 35%. And that was the $95. So what we're essentially asking is $95 is 35%, right? But it's 35% of what number? 35% of what? And if I was to turn this into an equation, it would look like this. So it'll be 95, the is equals, 35% is 0.35, of is to multiply, and what, let's call it a variable, this what is the original price, and we'll call the original price y, so times y. And to make this even more like an algebraic equation, I would rewrite it like this. 95 equals 0.35y. And when it's brackets and then the variable, it means to multiply. So my first task is to cancel the 0.35. So I do that by doing the inverse of multiply, which is to divide. So I divide by 0.35. Whatever I do to one side of an equation, I have to do to the other to keep it all nicely balanced. That's what the equal sign's all about. What that means is y multiplied by 0.35 divided by 0.35 cancels out that, leaving this variable on the right. 95 divided by 0.35. That's where you can use our calculator. So 95 divided by 0.35 equals 271.428 blah blah blah. Now this is money, so I'm going to round off after 2 decimal places. So 0.428, this 8 is large, so it'll be 0.43. So 271.43. Just formatting. Variable goes on the left. Its value goes on the right. Okay, it's money. So the original price is approximately $271.43. And that's how it's done.